Making money in the stock market, tips and tricks. Investing in the stock market can be a tricky game of risk versus reward, but knowing what you're doing when you get into it can provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Read on to find many tips, tricks, and secrets, which will help you to meet all your investing goals. Ensure that your children have a good sense of understanding regarding finances and investments from a young age. The earlier that they are taught about financial responsibility and what can be achieved with hard work, the better off they will be in the long run, as they age. You can even involve them a little, as you buy and sell your investments, by explaining why you are making these choices. Investing in the stock market does not require a degree in business or finance, outstanding intelligence, or even familiarity with investments. Being patient and sticking to a plan, making sure to remain flexible and conducting research, will serve you well when playing the stock market. Going against the grain often pays off. Do not invest money that you might need to access in a hurry, or that you cannot afford to lose. Your emergency cushion, for instance, is much better off in a savings account than in the stock market. Remember, there is always an element of risk with investing, and investments are generally not as liquid as money in a bank account. When the stock market takes a dip, do not distress. Instead, look at the fall as an opportunity to purchase stocks at bargain prices. Many smart investors have made fortunes this way, because the market will inevitably rise again. Being able to see past the doom and gloom can be very profitable. Before you invest money in the stock market, it is helpful to give yourself some practice. Choose several companies or funds and note the price and the date. Keep track of these picks and evaluate your reasons for wanting to invest. As you watch the companies over time, you will develop insight into how effective your ability to pick a good stock is developing. What you've watched here is a collection of expert advice, which can help you get started in the market. If you take it to heart and implement it into your investing strategy, you will find that you are better prepared to turn a profit and meet your goals in no time at all. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.